Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we're going to build part 6-C7B Lubricator crank arm rod end 1 for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I am G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-C7B Lubricator crank arm rod end 1, which is pretty much the same as 6-D6, but we're going to build it again anyway. Practice make perfect, they say. Okay. File new part MMGS. Okay, so we're going to build this one a little bit different. We're going to go front. We're going to do a circle. 2 circles actually. And we're going to do a square. That point and this point will be joint. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, let's do some dimensions first. So it's going to be, this is going to be 6. And this is going to be 12. So this one's going to be, oh, try again. It's going to be 12 as well. Puts it there, perfect. It's going to be a height of 19, not height, 19. Let's go trim. We want to get rid of U, and U. Oh, and U. There we go. And that's that piece done. Remember the last one we did, we had square, and then we just cut this piece out. Well, we're doing this way differently. So I'm glad I'm doing this. Okay, so that's going to be, yeah, that one. That's going to be a width of 12. Going to do a mid-plane. Mid-plane. Thank you. Now we do top part. Sketch. We want a semicircle. Something like that. Then we want square. Just do that for now. I'm going to go past that way. I know that's not joined up. So let me do that one now. Nope, not you. Line, thank you. Line to point is going to be joint. There we go. This one and this one will be joint. And this point and this line and this, sorry, not line. The 3 points will be vertical. Let's now just trim you out that way. Done. All right, let's do this. It's going to be a raise of 3. 3. This is going to be 14. And it's going to be that line and this point will be 6. And that should be fully defined. Yes, it is. So feature, extrude cut, through all, and done. There you go. So a different way to do it. Alright, so spin around there. This one is going to go normal to sketch. It's going to be a circle. It's going to be a diameter of 10. 10. That's going extruded out by 6. And done. And let's do a fillet of 1. Done. Alright, this one there is going to be sketch. I'm not going to normal to. It's going to be circle. That's going to be 6, I believe. Yes, 6. Smart dimension. 6. That's going to go in by 12, so extrude cut by 12. That's there, yep, perfect. Let me just zoom a bit more, there we go. Plane, that one there, 10 mil out, well that doesn't matter. This one, let's now do hole wizard. Nope, sorry, my bad. Hole wizard thread. drop down menu. It's on 6, perfect. So you want circle there, you want face there, but we don't want this blind. Up to selection, Actually, could do it. Let's do blind. Is this what, 12, 10 out, so 22? Yep. Oh, screw cut. And okay helps. Hold on. Why is that going so far in? Oh. Face. There we go. I clicked on that face until the plane. There we go. There we go. That's better. Oh, I wonder what the hell's going on. Let me hide that plane. Hide you. Let me go this face here. We're going to sketch. We're going to circle in the middle. Out, lock it there. Feature, screw cut. We're going to go the opposite way. No, not that way. That way. And done. There you go. See, I went measurement in. Was just as good as doing the other way too. So zoom in, zoom a bit more. There we go. That's part 6-37B lubricated crank arm rod end 1 done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So I didn't know those two parts were different. Two parts were exactly the same. I did them different ways. So I'd like to show different ways you can do it if you can. I think this way is actually easier. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.